I don't know how I'm gonna do this. And then I kind of heard Brad talking about it, like I kind of take on too much, and yeah, sometimes my life I have like 50 different things going on in it, but whatever. I need my coffee though. What's going on, guys? My name's Taylor White. This is Ken White Construction's YouTube channel based around my life and my business. We sell dirt for a living. Follow me along for the journey. Let's get it.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Try to teach me how to
All right, it's 5:20 now. You guys saw that we were up at 4:45. What we're gonna do is we're gonna head out. We're gonna go for a run, morning run, get to the yard, see the guys, start them off. We get some trucks going on rental, lots of things going on today, as well as an employee barbecue, which is gonna be super fun for the guys. We like to do that kind of stuff on Friday. First things first, let's go for a run. Let's get it in. It's a beautiful morning. Let's get after it. My dad went to school here. I don't know if it's something interesting that I've shared on the vlog before, but that's one of the main reasons why I like running around here in Carp. There's so much family history here. Morning. This is like everything that I love right here. Beautiful morning. I like Fridays because Fridays I got a whole vibe at work, you know? We have barbecues. It's an awesome day. Our stacker's been down all week for screening. We'll cut in here. Had some serious issues with it. Ended up getting a mechanic called in. He fixed it up yesterday. He says we're gonna be operational this morning. We shall find out when we get there. Okay, so you guys might be wondering why we have a little bit of a different style for today. We've been doing these videos for about a year, 3 months now, and I've just been finding that I wanted to do something that's going to be a little bit different. I wanted to do something that maybe hasn't been done on YouTube in the construction space before. So that's what we're doing right now. We're mic'd up, higher quality videos, better quality. I can focus more on the business end of stuff, and you guys can enjoy a different style content, higher quality. And I think that'll just be better for you guys. Just give me your feedback down below. I always want you guys to do that because at the end of the day, you guys are the ones watching it. So let me know what you guys think. Busy day, lots of stuff going on. Let's get her done. Showered, we're good to go. I got my special Friday outfit on. As you guys can see, it's black on black. So nice and colorful for the day. We're gonna hop in the truck, go down the yard, see the guys, start them off. We should actually get rolling now because we have a truck going out on rental and I wanna see him before we get there. Let's go do that. That is gorgeous. You know, that's why I love where I'm from. Generally, things happen during the day that aren't planned. And that's kind of the reasoning behind even doing this filming. I also want to show you guys just like what goes on in my life that I can't show normally. It is foggy as this morning, but that's okay. We'll just make sure the truck drivers take their time and we'll go from there. Sweet. Morning.
Morning.
What are we doing today?
Yeah, I finished the bed.
Set your job up on Upper Dwyer?
Yeah.
Nice.
Get it done.
How many loads more topsoil are you gonna need?
Probably 2 or 3 more
2
loads.
or 3 loads?
Yeah.
Okay. Did Corey tell you about the retaining wall job?
Yeah.
Or you're gonna kind of be doing that one?
Yeah. That'll be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we just wanted to give you more responsibility, like, and use you to your full potential, because I know that you have it in you to look after the jobs and to manage them. So I think that it will be good. This is a little bit of a teaser, I guess, for the video, but like I'm gonna be going up to Antrim and I want to go look at a new truck.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly, it is hard, like with trying to figure out how everything is, even with the economy and stuff. Like, you know, you talk to some people and they're like, oh yeah, like it's good, like blah, blah, blah. Or like you talk to some people and like, well, we're going to be paying for this next year. Yeah. And it's just hard to tell. Like, do you go ahead and invest the $250,000 into that? Or do you coast with what you got? And yeah, I don't know.
It's a total shot in the dark at this point.
Yeah, it is. Lots of black gold going out this morning though. I really want you guys to understand the transparency of what goes on and what happens in my life as well as the business. You guys are going to be meeting everybody, going through the day, going through all the paces. Make sure that you guys are subscribed, hit the thumbs up button, leave any comments down below. and we'll carry on through the day. Foreman just showed up. We're gonna go talk to him. We're gonna go launch down to a job. Let's get it. What's going on, Cor?
What's up, Taylor?
Morning. Just finished this coffee, bud.
Oh, I got you another one here, buddy. Friday morning, kick her into gear, eh?
You know I'm highly addicted to caffeine.
Well,
What's going on today?
we're gonna finish the septic up today.
Yeah.
Float some equipment around for the next job, get all set up for next week, and
Sweet.
have a bit of a barbecue, I think.
Yes, definitely have a barbecue.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you should have seen Andrew brought this. He had this like little cooler, and it was like a magician pulling stuff out of a hat. He pulled out this big tub of macaroni salad, pulled it out, pulled a big tub of like hamburger meat, pulled that out of his thing.
I'm excited to see how much he puts into them.
Oh man, me too.
He loves eating.
Oh yeah. Dirt in the mouth, Al. The Topsoil King himself. Look at him, he's flexing. You're flexing, Al. I'll go with you guys up to the job, and you guys have what, 2-3 loads topsoil to spread?
Yeah, and then power raking to
Power
do.
rake it. Get her done.
I'm gonna get you going. I'm gonna go with the Andrew to float the shovel. You all right with that? Good, because you have to be.
Break.
Awesome possum.
Let's do it. Just passed our truck on the road. I love seeing our trucks on the road. One thing that's going to be interesting for today is actually showing you guys the barbecue once a month. And I'm not going to lie and say it's like a thing that we do every month, but I generally do try to have the guys back at the yard, everybody. And, you know, regardless whether it's having a pizza lunch or, you know, the guys are just having a barbecue, which in today's case, we're having a barbecue. It kind of just shows and creates the culture that I want to create here at Kenway Construction that kind of separates it from any other business. Although we are still a medium-sized business, I want to carry that throughout the entire growth of the business, regardless of if we have 14 employees to 100 employees. That's one of the main things with the company that I like, is creating a culture that is, you know, family, fun, but at the same time we get work done. If I'm not having fun doing something, I don't really want to do it. So that's why I try to do this sort of stuff. And we just try to have a good time getting everything done and getting the jobs done on time. Corey's here already. And the truck that you guys watched get loaded brought some topsoil here to finish up. So we'll talk to Corey and then we'll go from there.
So this is a infiltrator tank.
Is it?
1530.
Okay, cool.
Exactly what we put in on other jobs.
Yeah. So it's not that old then?
No, so we kept the existing tank,
Okay.
tied onto it, comes into our distribution box, branches off into 4 Elgin unit lines.
And maybe you'll send pictures and we'll put up a picture here
Yep,
of what it looks like underneath this dirt,
yep.
and explain a little bit about what was over here and then what's over there.
So we basically have these 2 white pipes sticking out of the grounds here,
Yeah.
and one in that back corner, which kind of marks your outside corners of where the actual piping network is in the system.
And those stay in the ground until final inspection, and then they remove them.
Exactly. So they're just to look down and see how much cover we have on the bed. And then once that inspection is done, we pull these out, they get filled in. You have a seamless look to the whole thing.
Seamless. Yeah, they just got a load here. They'll probably need about 1 or 2 more. Okay, bye.
Jesse's over there unloading the skid steer.
Get this baby to use. You know how to run that? Or can I see your driver's license for it?
I lost it in 86.
He lost it in 86. That's one of the main things, is I love having the guys that understand that, you know, you're starting the day, you need to have a clean windshield, you need to have a clean machine, and that is super, super important in what we do. Making sure they stay clean. The guys all know that. These machines, you know, something like this is worth $90,000, and it's such a small, compact thing. You know, it costs a lot of money, so you got to look after your stuff. See, it appears right now that I'm actually doing something, but I'm not. Yeah, so this is dyed diesel that we're running in this, and it's generally cheaper. I think right now we're running at 77 cents a liter, where diesel in the yard for us right now is about 95 cents a liter. So you do save a little bit of a cost by running the dyed diesel. Obviously you can't fill your trucks up with it, that's highly illegal, but equipment that's not on the road, you're good to go. Here's our triaxle coming in to show you guys. This is Andrew. Andrew's been with us for, I think he's been with us a month now. And he's a really good driver. He knows exactly what has to be done. We got our custom KWC mud flaps on there. Those are a nice touch. What an A1 driver, man. Wow. We have the best employees, man. Best employees. You see these chunks here and you think, oh man, like this is gonna be, you know, heavy soil, but this is how you know good topsoil is whenever you just touch it and it just breaks apart and it doesn't stay all clayey and bally. That's a really good mixture. That's good soil. The best in Canada. Yeah, this will be a nice green lawn.
So we'll top up a little bit right there, and I think there's a wet spot right there. Just slope it down to that grade there. Oh, now she's burning off, bud.
We just got a line on some dirt that's being stripped off of a new job site down on a road in Ottawa. I have to check the quality of the soil to make sure it's good stuff coming into the yard. We're getting charged $50 a load for it. So that's pretty good. I can still make my profit on that. I'm on my way there now and we'll have a look at it, all right? Okay, I'll see you in a bit, man. Not worth it. We'll hold off on it. I'll go have a look at it, but yeah, I agree. It's probably not something that we want. Okay, so we're investigating some dirt right now. Investigation series of dirt. So we're gonna go out here, have a look at it, and adjust things and see if we cannot. Stacker's getting fixed. I'll go over and show you guys that, and then hopefully we can fire up and get screening here shortly. Like, this isn't a rock, it's actually just super compacted dirt. Something that we don't need, especially if we're paying for it. And like, the round trip was what, an hour and 10-minute round trip, $50 a load, so my cost goes way up. Doesn't make sense to haul it in, so we're gonna cancel this stuff and not haul it anymore. It's no good. And we just saw the mechanic leave, hoping that the stacker's back operational now, which means we can fire up the plant, which is gonna be super sick. Be able to show you guys that stuff. We got Corey and the guys over there getting ready for our big barbecue at lunch today. Hey, don't drop that, eh? My employees don't respond to me whenever I talk to them. What? Nothing, don't worry about it. Who am I? Just the guy that signs your paycheck. Yeah, hey, don't worry about me. As you guys see, I'm fully respected around here. Oh, this is beautiful stuff. I cannot wait to make some more. Okay, so this is our stacker. The problem that we were having with it, shaft seal was gone on it. She's fired up now. I was gonna start it. Do you run it full tilt? Ooh, you see that? Wide open. This is where the reject comes straight off that massive screen. It comes down and launches off this belt. And the stuff that's here, this is actually stuff that's larger than 2 inch. And the stuff that's 2 inch and under goes to the other side, and I'll show you guys that. This stuff is actually what we've been loading out this morning. This is anything from 8mm up to 2 inches. And that's what all comes off this end. This is the most reject that you'll get. Less stuff off that larger one and smaller stuff off this. And then of course the topsoil comes off that other stacker, and then our main stacker shoots it all up. It's a pretty interesting machine. You get a bunch of different kind of materials out of it that you can actually sell afterwards. And a lot of people always ask what we do with this sort of stuff. Some people want us to crush it and make gravel out of it, but what we actually do is we sell it as like a road-based material, and we just sell it by the load. So really interesting machine, lots of things going on. Probably my favorite thing that we have here. All right, after shoving all those cheeseburgers into our mouths, that was an awesome lunch, and I'm so happy that we ended up doing that on a Friday, getting everybody all wrapped up. We have to get back to screening dirt now this entire afternoon. That's all we're gonna be doing is just making dirt, getting ahead of the weather. I wanna thank you guys for tuning in and watching this kind of different style of video, but something that I think it means a lot to myself, and hopefully you guys, the viewers, really enjoyed that. Make sure you guys are hitting the subscribe button, giving the video a thumbs up. You're giving me all your feedback down below. As always, I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.